Hello guys, here is everything you need to know about the WhatsApp's new community feature in just 3 minutes. Here we will see about the use of this community tab, what are the attractive features you will get here, how to set up a community, dos and don'ts, how to get the feature if you don't have it yet. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like the video and want to see more contents related to social media apps. Okay, so what is the use of this WhatsApp community feature? Now you can bring together the WhatsApp groups who belong to a similar community, where you can send the announcements at a time to every group. Suppose you have multiple groups related to your college. Now you can share any update at once to all the groups. There are some new features as well. Now you can run audience poll in the community, and admin can delete anyone's messages. You can also share files of size up to 2 GB. You can also do video or audio calls to the entire community, just like we use to do group calls. We can say it's a group of groups with some advanced features. Many more new features will also be updated in the future. So let's see how you can set up a community step by step, and what are the important points to keep in mind. Here you can see the community tab at the left of chat tab. Here click the Start Your Community button. Now you will land on this page if you are setting up for the first time. Click Get Started. Here you can see it says community name cannot be changed later, so make sure you type the right name. You can use any profile image and add the description. Now click the arrow to proceed. Here you can add the groups or create new ones. Keep in mind that you can only add groups where you are an admin. That's it. Your community is ready. Now you can click on this community to send any update to every group at once. Okay, what if you want to deactivate the community? You can simply go to the community profile and click on this deactivate button. Now, if you don't have the feature yet, you can go to the Play Store if you are an Android user and simply update your application. If it's still not there, then no need to worry, just wait for few more days, and it will be updated automatically. Hope it helps. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is a great feature from WhatsApp, or what could be more useful update in the app. If you like this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.